Welcome to SQ World 06. In our Oracle interview question series, today we are going to see about scenario based interview questions on SQL. Sometimes the interviewer they may ask like I'm giving one table to you. It is having only one column. The column name it is team. Okay. So it is containing the set of the datas. Country name it is presented. India, Australia, Pakistan, West Indians like the column name it is presented, but I need target like that is my output it is in the form of two column I should present it, that is team 1 team 2. So like that I should present it. How it is means India versus Australia, Australia versus Pakistan, Pakistan versus West Indians, and West Indians versus India, like that I should present it. Okay, but my output it should not contain like same country, that is India versus India, Pakistan versus Pakistan. We know that same country we can't play, different countries only we can play the match. This is one logic. So based on this table I should convert this one. Now we'll see that how we can write that SQL query for this. Taken that table that is called as team name. In the team name there is only one column it is presented. Okay, just execute this team name table. Here see here I'm having that 5 rows it is presented. Okay, but I need to get my answer like that different country names with the two columns, that is West Indians versus India's, India versus Australia, like that I need to get it. Okay, first step, first we take that select a team. Okay, here two column need to present, no that's a reason same column I am taking the two times. Okay, team name. Okay, here we should give the spaces. Okay, team name, just execute, select it and run it. Okay, once we are executing means we are getting that same country it is presented in the both the column, but our output should not presented like that, because we know that same country could not able to match. Okay, so this is our requirement, we know that. Okay, so if I need to present means that time I should use a cross join. So cross join it can take that one column of the record and it will match to that other columns with all the datas. Okay, that is it will take that one column, one row it is taking. Okay, and it will match that all the rows in the other columns. So like that we can get that output. Okay, now also now see here in that column 1 it is having 5 rows is presented, and also in column 2 it is having 5 rows it is presented. So we know that cross join it is like that, it is like a Cartesian product. So we can get that output it is 25 rows we can get it. Okay, now we can write it, select a team comma, I'm taking two columns, no that's a reason, from team name, because the interviewer give that only one table only they are giving, that's the reason I am taking the team name only two times if I am taking. Okay, if executed means selected and run it, here we will get a error it will be get it, because it's showing that column ambiguity, because here column ambiguity means only one column it is presented in the table. Okay, but here you are giving the two tables it is there. Okay, that query get confused that which column I need to take it, because both are having the same name. Here also team it is there, here also team it is there. For that I am creating that aliases for that. Okay, that is team name. For that first table I am creating that aliases A, and for the second column team name I am creating that aliases B. Okay, with help of the aliases I am calling this aliases for the columns A dot team and B dot team. Okay, now select this query. Okay, and run it. Once we are running means we can get a, so how many rows means total rows fetched is 25 rows is fetched. Okay, we got like a Cartesian product, we got that output. But see here, West Indians versus West Indians, that is same country it is presented. Okay, see India versus India. Australia, see here, Australia versus Australia, like that it is presented. Australia versus Australia. We should not get like that. Okay, so our question is different countries only we should get it. So for that we should give the conditions here. Okay, so select this above the query, copy this query. We should add some statement. So for that, for giving this, we should give the conditions here. Okay, for that I am using that where conditions. I am calling that the columns, that is a dot team equal not equal to b dot team. Okay, okay, that is I am presenting that this column, okay, datas, it is not equal to b dot column, that is b dot team. Okay, this column data is not equal to this column data, so I am presenting like that. Okay, now just execute this one. Okay, now run it. Once you are running means here, see here, West Indians versus Indias we are getting, and here India versus West Indians we are getting, and here no India versus India, and no West Indians versus West Indians. But before query we got like West Indians versus West Indians, India versus India's, like that we got it. Okay, and the total number of the fetched row also it is 25. See 25 it is fetched. Okay, but when we execute this query, select it and execute this queries, the total number of the fetched row is 20, because it is not taking that same countries, because with the help of the conditions, a dot team not equal to b dot team, no, that's the reason it is not taking that same country name. So we got like 20 rows only we got. Okay, so this way we can get that output. Okay, for that we should remember that what is that team name, we should remember that. Okay, when the interviewer they are giving that team, so this is my team. That team contains that list of that countries it is presented in. I need to get like West Indians versus India, India versus Australia means I need to get like that only. But I should not get like India versus India. I should not get that. The same country should not presented. For that we should remember that if they are asking like that means first we should use it cross join. We should use it. Okay, that's the reason I have taken that here cross join I have taken. Okay, so when we are using the cross join means that time what will happen, see 1 minute here, okay, this is like command, no, so sorry, this is like a output of this statement 25, so this is taking like that. So just select this one only and run it. Okay, once you are running here means, so we are getting the total number of the rows is 25 rows we are getting. Okay, with help of the cross joins, and after that here our output it is like that. I should not get like that same countries. So okay, same countries I should not get it in the both the columns. That's the reason I should here use the conditions. Okay, with the help of the where a dot team not equal to b dot team. If I execute like that means I can get that exact record, I can get it. See now select it and run it. See here, total number of the rows fetched is 20 only, and the exact output we got it. Okay, this way we can get that answer for that. In upcoming sections we will see the some other interview questions answer. Okay, thank you for watching. If really this videos is useful for you, please do the subscribe, share it and like it and give the comments. Thank you.